Okay, great leaders. Let us deal with multiplication of whole numbers today. Multiplication of whole numbers. Multiplication of whole numbers. We'll be using the place value method, not the direct method. Let's take examples of this. This is a symbol for multiplication, also called times. So, let us deal with numbers. Some examples we have. I'll be dealing with 2 digits numbers, 2 digits and 1. Like 25 times 1. 25 times 1. This is your unit, tens, units. So arrange them properly. Solution. You have 25. Put your unit under unit. Put your times sign. Then multiply. This number will be used to multiply this digit before this. So 1 times 5 is 5. And 1 times 2 is 2. You do this first. Then you do this also. Like a clock iron. So your answer is 25. Let's try the next example. 23 times 2. You have solution. 23 times 2. This number multiplies this. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 2 is 4. Your answer is 46. Your answer is 46. Let's go to carrying of numbers. Carrying numbers. Carrying numbers. Remember what we did in our carrying numbers when we added and also when we subtracted. Apply same idea here. You have 45 times 3. 45 times 3. Solution. 45 times 3. You have 45 times 3. That will be 45. And put your 3 down. Put your times. 3 times 5. That will give you 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Write your 5 units and carry this one to this part. Let it be there. Don't add it up here. Don't add it up. Just leave it there. Multiply before you add. 3 times 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus the one you carried. That will be 13. Write it down. Your answer is 135. Your answer is 135. Look at this. 23 times 4. You have 23 times 4. Put your sign. 4 times 3 is 12. Write your 2. Carry one, the other one at this part. Up there. Put it up there. Put it up here in this form. But don't add it yet. Don't add it. Multiply first. Multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8. Then add the 1. That will be 9. So your answer is 92. So you add numbers in this form. That's how you add numbers. Let's look at all numbers of 2 digits. 2 digits to 2 digits. To 2 digits. 2 to 2, you have, for example, 25 times 24. It's also simple. Solution. You have 25 times 24. Arrange them in this form. It's simple to deal with, but ensure your answers you get are written properly. I will start with 4. Start with the 4. Start with the 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0. Carry the 2 to the other part. Multiply first. Multiply first. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus the 2 you carried, 10. Write your 10 in that manner. Arrange your numbers. Your numbers should be on straight lines in that form. You see the answer I got for 4 started from 4 to this side. But the numbers are arranged properly under numbers. 0 under this line, 0 under this line, and then 1. Now start with 2. 2 multiply 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Write your 0 directly under that 0. Carry 1 to this part. Clean that one and write the 1 there. Then 2 times 2 is 4 plus the 1 you carried, 5. That is it. Draw your line. You add your 2 answers. Fill this gap with 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0, and 6. Now what you're going to have? So your answer is 600. Let me solve a few more examples on the 2-digit numbers. Few more examples on the 2-digit numbers so that you have a better understanding. 2-digit number multiplication. 2-digit number multiplication for you to have a better understanding. Look at this. You have 45. You have 39 times 12. You have 39 times 12. Solution. 39 times 12. You write your 39 and write your 12. Put your sign of operation. Start with the first number 2. This 2 multiplies 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Write your 8. Carry 1 to this part. Up the next number. 2 times 3 is 6. Plus the one you carried, 7. Clean it up quickly because there are 2 numbers you're dealing with. Now let's use 1 now. 1 multiplies 9. 1 times 9 is 9. Put your answer directly under 1. Then 1 times 3 is 3. Then write it over here. Close this gap with 0. Close it with 0. Then add these 2 results. You have 8, 16, carry 1, 4. Your answer is 468. Your answer is 468. Do this one for me. Let me see. Do this. Do the following. Do the following. Number 1, you have 49 times 12. Number 2, you have 25 times 22. Do these ones and get your answers. Let me see what you're going to have at the end of the day. We're going to discuss more of this in our next class. Thank you.